back to my channel. I hope you're all well and having a fantastic day wherever you are in the world. So today, girlies, yes, it's another unboxing of an advent calendar, and this one is kind of different, and I hope we've got some stationery lovers out there because I am obsessed with stationery. And when I found this, I just couldn't wait to share with you guys what an amazing Christmas gift this could be for somebody, and it's personalised. So without further ado, let's get into the video. But before we do, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. Grab that cuppa and let's get into the video. Okay, so I got this from Not on the High Street, and it's personalised. Look, it's got Christina's 24 days of stationery, and it's from the brand Martha Brook, London. And yeah, you get yourself an advent calendar full of stationery. So let's get into the box. Okay, so you can have it personalised. You've got the choice. You can either have it personalised or not. I chose it because I thought it was a really nice touch, and I just wanted to get the whole feel of the whole advent calendar. And this is what it looks like inside. So you've got 24 days of stationery. Now, I haven't seen any pictures of what's inside, so we're going to do this together. So let's start off with box number one, okay, which is this here. Got number one there, little envelope, and inside we have a lovely little pen. So we've got a nice pink pen in there. Okay. Oh, I do love a bit of stationery. I mean, who doesn't? They're really good for flat lays as well. And these little things are really cute as well, little pockets that they've come in. So day number 2 is got note card writing set. So we've got a lovely little floral design. I can see it's all going through. Oh, it's got the envelope to go with it. So just a little note. This is really cute if you want to give out to clients, you know, or I really like this for my giveaway winners. I can just put a little note in as well and share that with them. Okay, box number 3, we have, oh, how gorgeous are these? So we've got some little love letter paper clips. These are so cute. Oh wow, they are adorable. So yeah, little love letters there. Box number 4, nearly said 5 then. Feels a little bit heavier than the others. And what do we have? So we have a little notepad, lots of lists. So it's a nice little shopping list, things to do. You can do whatever you want, and that's what that looks like. Okay. Box number 5 feels very light. What do we have here? Oh, okay, so we've got a stencil me in, a gold template alphabet ruler. So that's what we've got there. How cute is that? Like, I'm literally running out of room. We're gonna have to tidy this room up. It is an absolute mess. It's been crazy busy. I've been trying to record and work and sort the kids out, running backwards and forwards, do my workouts and stuff like that. It's just been absolutely mental, but we're getting there. Okay, box number 6. Oh wow, we've got some Christmas cards. So we've got some gorgeous little Christmas cards there. That's really cute. It's got a couple of designs. They're really sweet. They're handy for like last minute, you know, those ones that you forget to send out. Really good for them. Box number 7, we've got some put your stamp on it. So we've got some decorated stamps, so they're in there. Oh, they're really cute. I'm loving the packaging. Box number 8. Oh, that's so cute. Christina, first you dream, then you can do. First you dream, then you do. Oh, I love that. And I love the fact that it's personalised as well. So it's personalised to me. So if you get this for someone, then obviously their name will go on there. That is really cute. Oh, that's lovely, that is. That is definitely what I need. And I'm going to do a little flat lay, I think, and put that on my Instagram. Okay, box number 9. We have some bookmarks. Or are they tagged? They've got holes in them. So I'm thinking that they're like tags or bookmarks maybe. Maybe a bookmark. They're cute. It's the most wonderful time of the year, so these are very Christmassy. Oh, we do love a bit of Christmas, don't we? Oh yes, we do. I'm really looking forward to it. Just a bit of some kind of normality anyway. Okay, box number 10. We have some gold, wrap it up. So we've got some gold ribbon. This is such a cool idea. Like literally, it's everything you need for Christmas. Box 11, we have, what's stuck there? Push the envelope, gold. Oh, so it's a tear it up, a letter opener, an envelope opener. How cute is that? Box number 12. We have Think Happy Thoughts motivational postcard set. So we've got postcards with some nice words on. Bloom where you were planted. Big ideas have small beginnings. Be kind to yourself. That's something that you guys, you know, we all need to remind ourselves now and again that, you know, there's only one of us and we need to be kind to ourselves. You will do great things. So these are really cute as well. Oh, I'm absolutely loving this box. Okay, box number 30. We have a pencil, nice silver pencil. Box number 14, so we're halfway there. Are we? Yeah. Things to remember. So it's like a little sticky notes, and then just, oh yes, I'm always trying to jot things down, forgetting things at the minute because there's so much going on. I keep forgetting a lot of things. Yeah. Anyway, so we are on box number 15, and we have a proud member of the Stationery Lovers Club. So it's a key ring. That's so cute. Okay. Box number 16. Ah, wow. So that is a Christmas decoration and it's got my initial on. So this is really personalised. So if you are going to do it, then definitely do the personalised section of it because that is really cute. So that can go on my Christmas tree. I'm hoping to have a real one this year as soon as we move into our house. When that's going to happen, I don't know, because I swear to God, this COVID is really stressing me out because it's stopping me from getting into my house and it's really, really stressful. But anyway, let's get back to number 17. So number 17, we have Don't Lose Your Place. So we've got gold page markers. How cute are these? They're really cute. So you just like slip them on so you can go back to the page that you want. Number 18, what do we have here? We've got a large green rubber. It's a Milan rubber. I love the packaging. So we've got a rubber there. Obviously we've got the pencil, haven't we? We need a rubber. Day number 19. Write it down. So another, like a little mini notepad, just a little stick paper. Have it on the desk just to jot things down. Never have enough of them. Number 20. Ooh. Number 20, we have a nice gold pen. That's cute. That's got stickers. Take them off. I don't know what they are, but that's really cute. Okay. I should maybe do a behind the scenes so you guys can see what actually goes on behind the scenes and the mess. I think Altoria actually showed her room and that's exactly what my room was like. Boxes everywhere. Number 21, we have Your Story Continues, a brass bookmark. So we've got a lovely big bookmark there. 22, can you pin it? So it's a badge and it says always right. I try to. I really want to get back into my blog. I feel like I've neglected it because I've been trying to really push YouTube and stuff like that I feel like I've neglected my blog, but I will get back to it, I promise. And I am going to start writing again. So that's really cute. It's a nice reminder, isn't it? Day 23 here. And we have Tear Me, Stick Me, Love Me. Oh, so it's washi tape. So we've got gold in there and gold patterned washi tape. So there's some washi tape in there. So it's just like a decorative tape to put on, you know, this seal and envelope. And then last but not least, we have day 24. Feels heavy. So it's got to be, yes, it has to be a notebook. And look, it's engraved with my name on. So this is really, really cute. Such a cute idea. And it's got everything that you need for stationery to look cool. Absolutely love this. And I would absolutely love it as a gift. You can't beat Not on the High Street for things so different. And they are all personalised anyway. But yeah, this is what day 24 is. And yeah, I'm going to put that in my bag because I love how it's got my name on it as well. So yeah, so there you have it, guys. That is what today's video is. It was a 24-day stationery box. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And as I said, it comes with it all personalised as well, so you can make it really special, make that person you're sending it to really special, or even just treat yourself. I mean, I'm really happy about this. I absolutely love it. So guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And thank you so much. So we have hit 3,000 followers over on Instagram, and we're about 24 away from hitting 500 here on YouTube. So like I said, if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, and I will be announcing the giveaway, I hope anytime soon, and I'm hoping it's before the end of October because we've managed to hit 3k over on Instagram. So we've just got to get those 24 subscribers. So if you haven't already, go share my channel. Let's get this giveaway done. And oh my god, the giveaway box is filling up, and I'm going to put some really good stuff in because you know what, we've had a crap year, and I think you guys deserve, you know, when you open a box, a bit of happiness and a bit of something. So if I can do that and just make you feel great just for like a split second, then that's me done. So yeah, and I'll see you all tomorrow, guys, on another day of Vlogtober. Bye.